Pain radiates. Pressure builds behind my eye.
Here. What's up? This episode goes out to all viewers, followers, and subscribers. Tonight we're gonna draw retreeter. Treaters evolved form. You see, this guy has, well, this guy has a really big record when it comes to placing great reviews, just like his original counterpart. Here's his iPhone.
Other banks go out of their way to make redeeming credit card rewards needlessly complicated. But Discover
What's this? A second iPhone?
rewards for cash in any amount at any time.
Did you know that every year they come out with new iPhone models? I've seen this happen in the... I've seen new forms for the device come out in New York City on the billboards. This is the cloud that he floats on. This cloud is also known as a nimbus. The same kind Kakarot uses on Dragon Ball Super. It's done. There we go. That is how you draw Retreater. That's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. I'm always here, and my mission to draw every character in the universe will come to fruition. Get it? Fruit? Because this guy's because that guy is a tree. You get the idea. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night. And make sure all those subscribers stay at 1000% awesomeness and amazement. Be at your peak condition.